Turkey continues to accelerate its efforts to build national air defense industrial capabilities. A key program is the KAAN, a fighter jet developed as part of Turkey's ambition to possess a next-generation fighter aircraft that can be independently designed, manufactured, and developed. The assembly line is where the aircraft's various major components are integrated into a complete unit. Producing a modern fighter jet involves a highly complex process. The airframe structure must be assembled with a high degree of precision, while components such as wings, tail sections, hydraulic systems, wiring, avionics, fuel systems, and other equipment must be installed systematically. A key feature of the KAAN is its design, which is tailored to meet the demands of modern air warfare. Low observability characteristics are a crucial aspect, aiming to reduce the likelihood of the aircraft being detected by enemy radar at certain ranges. However, the capabilities of a modern fighter jet are not defined solely by its physical shape. Sensors and avionics also play a vital role. Next-generation fighter jets must be capable of gathering information from various sources, processing that data, and presenting relevant information to the pilot. The KAAN is also designed to operate in increasingly network-centric combat environments. A significant focus of the KAAN program is the issue of the engine. Fighter jet engines represent one of the most challenging technologies to develop. They must generate high thrust, operate at extreme temperatures, and maintain exceptional reliability. In the long run, the ability to equip the KAAN with a domestically produced engine will provide Turkey with a major strategic advantage.